Hello friends, this is the sum number 8 given in the government textbook of HSC board, bookkeeping and accountancy, page number 289. Shalini owns 26,000 to Anand. Anand draws a bill. This is bills of exchange and we are marking the entries with the same thing. Draws a bill. This is the first entry for 21,000 for Shalini for 3 months period and received the balance as a cross check. Actually this entry we are going to merge it. The bill was duly accepted and returned to Anand on the same date. The same date is very important thing, but there is no date given. So as on date we are taking numbers. Anand endorse Shalini's acceptance. The next entry is endorse to Vikram. Vikram is a endorsee. On the due date, the Vikram informed Anand that Shalini dishonored. And this bill, endorsed bill, is dishonored. Her acceptance and noting charges rupees 280. Now again we are going to merge this noting charges in this entry, so it will also reduce our one entry. Where paid. Anand then drew new bill. Another entry found for 1 month on Shalini, including noting charges. This noting charge is given over here is included in new bill. Shalini, including noting charges and interest rupees 650. Interest on the due date Shalini honored. Now in this sum we found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 markings. But in 8 marking we are going to solve only 6 entries. I have already drawn my sum. In this sum they give journal entries in the books of Anand and prepare Anand's account. This Anand's account means the ledger account as we prepared in the earlier that is in 11th. So how we are going to prepare, I will tell you today. Instead of date we are today taking the numbers, that is number 1 because no date is given. Shalini owns 26,000 to Anand. Anand drew a bill for 21,000. Now the bill is drawn by Anand. Anand draw a bill for 21,000 on Shalini for 3 months. Now this entry is given in the books of Anand. I mistaken right Shalini over there. Anand. So Anand is who? The person who draws the bill. In this book, this sum is also in the books of drawers. Now bill is drawn. Bill is a assets. Assets are always debit. The amount which is coming from someone is also debit, that is assets. So bills receivable account debit. The bill is made for 21,000 on Shalini, but Shalini owns 26,000 to Anand. 26,000 is remaining on Shalini, which is going to be paid by Shalini to Anand. Then bill is all drawn for only 21,000. The remaining 5,000, how it is going to show? Shalini for 3,000 period and received the balance by a cross check. Then rupees 5,000, the balance is made of the check. Check goes to bank account. Bank is the receiver, that is bank is a personal account, so bank will be debit the receiver for the check, so that is debit. Is the amount 21,000 is going to be paid by Shalini. Shalini is a personal account, so Shalini is credited the giver of all this money, that is of check and that is of bill. So narration: being bill drawn and remaining amount received by checked. Number 2. Number second entry. Now we had already completed till here. The bill was duly accepted and returned to Anand. for this sentence there is no entry. On the same date, Anand endorsed Shalini's acceptance. On the same date, but there is no date. So we are, instead of taking date, we are taking the numbers, that is 1, 2, that is the serial number for entries. So 2, on the same date what happened? Anand endorsed the bill to the Shalini's acceptance to Vikram. The bill is given to the Vikram. Vikram is a personal account that is endorsed here. So Vikram is the the receiver of that bill. So Vikram's account debit to Vikram. We are giving what? The bill. Bill is made by us. When bill is kept by us, it is debited. When bill is goes to another, it is credited. So two bills receivable. Bill is an asset. All assets are real account. So that's why debit what comes in, and this is the credit what goes out. Bill amount remains the same. Now instead of writing 26, we are going to write only bill amount, that is the 21,000. Narration. Being bill endorsed. Number 3. On the due date, actually no due date is there because no date. So instead of taking date, we are taking number 3. On the due date, Vikram informed Anand that Shalini dishonor her acceptance. Shalini has dishonor, and noting charges 280 were paid. Now this noting charges is also paid by Vikram. Whenever bill is dishonored in the books of drawer, the first benefit goes to the drawee. So drawee is what? Drawee is who? That is the Shalini in this sum. So Shalini's account debit because he is the receiver of benefit, debit the receiver. 2. Bill is kept with the Vikram. When the Vikram taken the bill, he is debited. Now Vikram is going to pay the noting charges and returning our bill. So he is the credit the giver. So to Vikram's account of, instead of writing 21,000, we are going to write rupees 280 with the same in the same entry, or we need to write again the same entry for this rupees 280. So we are merging this entry with the same amount, increasing amount of noting charges in the same entry, being endorse bill dishonored and noting charges paid by Vikram. Number 4. Anand drew a new bill for 1 month on Shalini, including noting charges and interest. Now in this again no interest came, but before drawing a new bill, we should charge interest first. Then we are going to include it in new bill. So charging interest entry should be first at whatever the situation there is. So number 4 for the interest. Interest is charged by Anand, that is the drawer, on Shalini. So Shalini is the taker of that interest, that is he is debit the receiver for the interest. 2. Interest is a nominal account, so it is credit what? Income and gain. Now interest is how much? It is rupees 650. Rupees 650. So narration will be being interest charged. Number 5. Number 5 is what? The new bill. New bill means the same entry of the first. Now in this entry we had taken the bank account, but as the same entry, that is the bills receivable and Shalini will be came here, that is the bill making entry, bill drawing entry. Bills receivable account debit to Shalini's account. The amount will be the bills amount, the noting charges amount, and the interest amount. That is 21,000 plus 280 plus 650. 268,853, that is the 930. 21,930 will be the actual amount. 21,930. 21,930. Narration: being new bill drawn and accepted along with interest and noting charges. You have to increase the sound little bit. I already thought the place. Number 6, the last entry maybe. On the due date, the Shalini honored her acceptance by check. Now Shalini does what on the due date? There is no date, so we are taking number 6. Shalini honored this bill. Honored means what? The payment made on time. The payment made by check. So check went to the bank. Bank is a personal account. So entry will be bank account debit. Bank is the debit. That's why because he is a personal account debit the receiver. 2. Whenever customer had paid anything, we are giving him the bill, that is the bills receivable account. The total amount, that is entire amount, is paid by Shalini because no amount is given in the sum, so we expected that the all amount is paid by him. Narration will be being bill honored, the smallest narration, being bill honored. Now in this sum they had given what? The ledger account of Anand. Anand means what? The drawer. So in the books of drawer, so prepare Anand's account in the books of Shalini. I had already made the ledger account. In the books of Shalini means what? All entries will be reversed in this book. So the simple technique for this ledger is what? Whenever the Shalini's name is came, means Shalini's name is came, the Anand's name will be in that entry. If Shalini's name is not given in any such entries, the Anand name will not came. Now how we are going to write it is, first of all, the entry, that is the owns, Shalini owns 26,000 to Anand. We are going to write it over here. No date. So number 1, by balance brought down, that is 26,000, means the amount remaining with the Anand at credited, means amounts is need to be paid by Shalini, so that's why it is shown in credit side. If it's the account in if it is the books of Anand, then this amount will be showed in the debit side, means the amount is receivable from Shalini. Now in this book it is shown as the amount is payable to Anand. Now number 1, bills receivable account debit, bank account debit, Shalini account. Now Shalini in this book is shown in what position? The credit position. So Anand will be shown in the reversal entry in the debit position. So we are going to write in the debit side of Anand's account, that is the 2. It is what? The reversal entry. So 2 bills payable account, entry will be 21,000. Again the number 1. Why number 1? Because the same entry, Then to bank account. Bank account will be rupees 5,000. In the second entry, Vikram to bills receivable. So no name given. There is no relation of Shalini. So this entry will not include in this book. Shalini's account to Vikram. Now in this entry, that is number third, Shalini is given the debit. In the reversal entry, the Shalini will be, that is the Anand will be credited. So entry will be shown in the credit side. Number 3, it will be by bills payable. Why I had written bills payable instead of Vikram? Because in this entry Shalini doesn't know Vikram, so he only knows the bill which is made by Anand on him. So he knows only bills receivable, that is the bills payable on him. So instead of writing Vikram, I write it over here by bills payable. Amount will be 21,280. On number 4th, Shalini account debited to interest account. Shalini is debited, so in the reversal entry, Anand will be credited. So on the credit side, number 4, by interest account, interest is of 650. Now number 5, the bills receivable account debited to Shalini. So in the reversal entry, Anand will be debited. So number 5, I am writing the entries number. Whenever the date is given, you are going to write the dates which is shown in the journals in the date column. So bills receivable, I am going to write over here to bills payable account. Amount will be 21,930, the actual amount which is shown in the sum. The last entry, number 6, bank account to bills receivable. So there is no Shalini, so there will be no Anand. Now we are going to total this. The total should be tallied, means the total should be same of both the side. If there is no same total, then there is some entry should be left by you. 20, 20, 40, 41, 46, 47. The total will be 47,930. In the same 20, 20, 40, 46, 47, 47, 200, 47, 800, 47, 880, 930, 47,930. Here is our sum.